Tonight we will be making a holistic face mask using whole milk yogurt, plain yogurt. Yum. You're going to take a small portion of that and put it in the bowl. To that, you're going to add 1 drop of essential oil. Where did mine go? Hold on. Here we are. Essential oil, lavender scented. Smells amazing. 1 drop. Oh, that was a big drop, but lavender is soothing. So you should do this before you go to bed. We're going to apply the face mask now.
It's cold. And it stinks. It smells like dog food.
Why smell like dog food in this yogurt? Kids is weird. So you just want to put this all over your face and you're going to let it sit on there.
The coldness burns.
Not the coldness burns. Yogurt is good for fighting bacteria on your face, you know. And
but it gave you diarrhea.
Reducing wrinkles.
Can I rub it? You got it in my eye, Mom.
I'm sorry, it's just yogurt. 15 minutes. I hope I don't regret this. So, 15 minutes later. Wash mine off. You know what? Why are you using
Dry and crunchy.
Joking about the face mask now. You put it on there. It is kind of, it's soft now. It's soft. Put your little cocoa butters and stuff on there. I gotta figure out something for these under eye circles. First step is go to sleep. Good night.